Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. I am back for a long-awaited cash stuffing. Let's go ahead and get into it. I've been just enjoying budgeting in my little budget sheet notepad here. I just love that I can rip it off and tear it away. So today we are working on my paycheck for $420, which is technically today. I got paid Monday, but whatever. So I got paid $1,200. I'm not going to be cash stuffing bills today for this month because I've been so busy. I just transfer the money over to my bill pay account. So it's here on my budget, but I won't be cash stuffing. We're going to do my cash envelopes, sinking funds. As y'all know, I don't have any debt, and then our extra savings. So let's go ahead and get into it. Get my cash here. We're going to pull out the big boy cash tray today. So let's go ahead and see how much cash we've got to cash stuff. All right. The very first thing we are going to cash stuff today is actually my cash envelopes. So y'all know I carry that in my daily wallet here. I'm currently inside of the black one. So we have $50 left in groceries, but as y'all know, that is going towards the credit card bill because that was spent at Walmart. So in our cash envelopes here. So to groceries, I'm going to be adding a $100 bill. We haven't been eating much at home, but honey, $100. Why did I fold that like that? $100 goes nowhere in the grocery store nowadays. Gas, also $100. That's actually what it takes to fill up my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that 100 on in there. Our spending money, we're just gonna do $20 today. I don't really have much time to be spending. Been too busy. And the very last one we're gonna do is eating out, and we're gonna put 50 in there. I'm gonna do 2 20s and a 10 because honey, we've been eating out. I have not been getting home in time to cook. So that's it for the cash envelope wallet. Let's go ahead and move on to our sinking funds. All right, so we're gonna go with our low priority sinking funds first. And the first one we are going to hit is travel. And we're gonna add $20 into travel. So in here now we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 570. And that is nowhere near enough. I need to work on that. Up next we have hair products, and 2 hair products. I'm gonna add $10. So we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, $200 in hair products, and that's about to get spent because that's like 2 Olaplex products. Spending money, we're gonna add 28. So when I do eventually get some time, and I'm just gonna do 30 because I don't think I have the change to do it. I'll have money. So 50, 100, 120, 130. And that's it for our low priority sinking fund. All right, so the first one we're gonna hit, as always, is our emergency fund. And to our emergency fund, we're gonna be adding $40. An emergency fund is vital in your budgeting journey. We all need one. A good starting amount is $1,000, and then work your way up to 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. So 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,100, 1120, 1140. So I actually need to do a cash swap and get a 1K slip inside of here, which is the little fake $1,000 bill, and put that money in my high yield savings, but we'll get there when we get there. So car maintenance is gonna get $20. I'm just building this up because, you know, cars, they have wear and tear, so wanna have the money for when that happens. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570. Sorry if you hear the collar in the background. We got a puppy and he is a busybody. Holidays is going to receive $20. All right, so let's see what we've got in here. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60. So we have $260. The next holiday that's coming up is going to be, that we celebrate, will probably be 4th of July. Christmas, I didn't even do this one, but I needed to. I'll just have to hit it double next week. Insurance deductible is going to be receiving $20. So let's see what we've got in here. And this is for my car insurance deductible. 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,100, $1,120. And this is for 2 vehicles, my pickup and my car. Clothes and shoes isn't getting anything. Life insurance, which is for a relative. I'm going to be adding $30. Trying to save up to pay this up for the year again. So 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, $210. So hopefully by the summertime I'll have enough in here to pay out the yearly premium. Our medical expenses here are going to get $30. So I'm going to grab a 20 and a 10. So in here now we have 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,250, 1,270, 1,290, 1,310, 1,330, 1,350, 1,360, 1,370. So $1,370 in here. As y'all know, I am not insured, so I pay all of my doctor visits out of pocket. Household isn't getting anything this time, and so that's everything for our sinking funds. We are now going to move over to our savings challenges, and there are 2 I'm going to contribute to today. The first one is our April monthly challenge. So this one is a weather-based challenge. I've already added most of the money for this week. I'm only going to be adding in, no, I think I'm going to do it all. Let me see. I did. I set it aside. So in this one, we're going to be adding $35 because the weather's been relatively warm this week. So we are doing mostly 5s. I think it's all 5s for this week. So in here we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 125 in our April savings challenge. And I believe we have 1 or 2 more weeks left to contribute to this challenge. So that's it out of here. What we're gonna do is, let me move my money over a little bit. It's in my savings challenge book. Okay, so we are on our 17th week of the year. So we have 136 as a total. We're going to be adding in $17, which should give us a total of $153 in our 52-week challenge. And that's in our Build a Bag savings challenge book. And then here's a new little challenge book I came out with. Well, we haven't come out with it yet, but I'm trying it out to see if I want to sell it. And we are on week 17. So we're going to be adding 10, 15, 16, and 17. I guess I did have the dollars to do that 28 earlier. Oh, well. So we're going to add $17 because it's our 17th week of the year. I'm just going to flatten this out here. And I usually round up, but I've been trying to do right this time. Okay, and so as you can see, we've added money every week. And once we're done, we'll be all the way to week 52. And we'll have a little over, I believe, $1,400. And so that's it for our 52-week savings challenge. I messed up with this. I could have did 28 and I didn't, but oh well. So the last thing I'm going to do here is go ahead and put this $50 into my credit card envelope. Where is it? Because I did pay for, I'm just going to put the $3 in here too. Because I did pay for Walmart with my credit card. So this will be here when it's time to pay the bill. Okay. So that's everything. That's all I have for today. I'm sorry it's been so long, y'all. The boutique has been crazy. It's been really busy just trying to get everything together as we keep growing and glowing. Appreciate all you guys' support and y'all sticking with me. I am going to try to do better about at least getting 1 video out a week. That's all I can promise for now. But that's all I've got, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.